nobody, you lawyers tell us, we know from, even from school, from, I think it must have been Form 1 or 2, that there is nobody above the law. But things must be done properly. So it's not, but, you know, there has to be, I think in America they call it probable cause, or that, all that kind of thing. You can't just do what appears to have been done, but not what was done. Never mind what appeared to. You can't do what was done in any civilized society. That was the way most ordinary members of the public must have felt, and indeed the NBA showed its outrage. So we just wanted to emphasize that it's not as if the judges, any of them, right up to the Supreme Court, is above the law, but this one was still considered to be scandalous. Correct.
So you could see that part of what has brought us to the point where we have now arrived at is the, if you like, concerted anguish of the entire segment of the Nigerian population. It was no longer the business of the judiciary. Although it was the judicial arm of government, judicial officer, the number 2 in the Supreme Court that was so attacked. It was that the Nigerian people rose in unison. Virtually all the critical segments of the Nigerian society, from the media to labor to professional bodies, no less the Nigerian Bar Association, that took it up as a challenge. I'm aware that my friend and colleague, Barrister Onyekachi Ubani, was specifically saddled with a team to unravel what has happened. And you could see that virtually every person who heard about it rose to the occasion in unison and condemned what it was that happened. But I think the point must also be made that, look, we mustn't wait until a Supreme Court justice is attacked or where its rights of freedom are breached before the Nigerian state responds in the manner that shows that we can't tolerate this kind of recklessness. It doesn't matter so much whether it's a Supreme Court justice or a peasant or a trader or a taxi driver, whoever it is that suffered some form of recklessness that breaches the law, should be made to appreciate that it is only when we stay on our lane in terms of respecting the rights of others, in terms of respecting the dignity of others, in terms of observing the law and protecting the law, that we can have a harmonious society. But the good news is that the matter is now before the court, and you could see the way we are talking, that we're just speaking generally in principle about what has gone to court.